And then there's an overlapping part from there onwards, and the overlapping part is the semantic model. From there onwards, you become a data analyst. So you're using the data, you're making decisions, you're helping the company do stuff with it. And the data model, again, is the crucial part. And that, for me, I would say the data engineering part and the modeling part, for me, is 60 to 80% of any solution. And then if you do that right, first time, the reason the last part is 20%, meaning creating reports and so forth, is because you've done the right work up here. And if you don't do the right work up here, that 20% starts to just become agonizing. And then you're building calculations on calculations, and you're trying to outdax yourself from a poorly designed model. And it can only spiral down to death if you go down that path. So yeah, it's an enormous design and understanding part of it. And I do want to kind of pick up on what Jared said, is that it's the business part. So if you're old hat, you might remember conceptual modeling, logical modeling, and physical data modeling. And conceptual modeling is the bridge between a data nerd like us and the business person. And you go onto the whiteboard and you say, look, if you're selling stuff, and your sales, you're basically saying your transaction table, your fact table, and you sell a product, and you draw another circle and you draw a line to it, and then you have a customer, another circle and a line to that, and then your date, and then your promotions. And you know what? You're actually drawing the data model on the whiteboard, and they get it. And if it matches what they think about the business, then guess what? You've nailed it, to the bridge between how the business thinks and needs the data and how they function, to then designing and building out that solution.